Vibrations during lathe operation should be avoided at all costs. Every lathe operator knows this and has been aware of it for decades. Two companies that have been working together for more than 3 decades asked, can vibrations also be useful? So that swarf breaks in time. Mitsubishi Electric and Citizen jointly developed LFV, low frequency vibration cutting. For longer unsupervised running times. For better production surfaces. State-of-the-art CNC controls from Mitsubishi Electric make it easy for the user and allow exceptional precision. With controlled vibrations that not only improve the result, but also make the impossible possible. Mitsubishi Electric and Citizen. A strong partnership for you.